Hello dear students. In the previous sessions, we started multiple access techniques. We came to know that multiple access means accessing the bandwidth by several users. We discussed few multiple access techniques like FDMA, TDMA and CDMA. We learned what are the drawbacks and advantages of these three multiple access techniques. Today, we learn another multiple access technique, that is DAMA, demand access multiple access. This is very important question in the exam point of view, right? This topic is very important in exam point of view. So demand access can be used in any satellite link where the traffic from the users is not regular. Okay, for example, a LEO satellite provides link to mobile telephones. So all the mobile or telephone users, will they communicate at regular intervals with their relatives or friends? No. They communicate at random times. For example, a person is there, at morning 8 o'clock he made a call to his friend. Is it necessary that after 1 hour, immediately at night 9 o'clock, he need to talk to another friend? Again after 1 hour, that is 10 o'clock, he need to talk to another friend? No. And every time when he makes a call to his friend, he may talk to 1 minute or less than 1 minute or few or several minutes. It is not mandatory that whenever he make a call, he should talk for 30 minutes or he should talk for 1 hour. Is there any such kind of thing? No. So telephone voice users communicate at random times for periods ranging from less than a minute to several minutes. So as a percentage of total time, the use of individual telephone is very less. So if each user were allocated a fixed channel, okay, the utilization of entire system will be very less or less than 1%. So here allotting a fixed or unique channel like FDMA to the user, okay, is not correct. If it is so, then efficient utilization of the bandwidth, okay, may not happen. Okay, so when especially you observe, especially at night, when the demand for telephone channels is very less, during night after 10 p.m. to morning 5 or 6 p.m., the usage, do we talk? It is sleeping time. We don't talk. So allotting a unique frequency channel to the user, a fixed frequency channel to the user, is not correct. So then what is the solution for this? The solution is the demand access. Whenever there is a demand, so immediately frequency channel should be allotted. Okay, so demand access allows a satellite channel to be allocated for the user on demand, so rather than continuously. Okay, if you want to talk to your friend through mobile phone, then you will be allocated a particular frequency channel. Okay, if you want to talk to another friend at other time, another frequency channel will be allocated to you. Okay, so when there is a demand, a frequency channel will be allocated. So here frequency channel, allocation of frequency channel, unique frequency channel to the user like FDMA is not happening. Okay, so demand access, okay, demand access, multiple access means many users can access the bandwidth, but on demand. Whenever there is a demand, frequency channel will be allocated to the user. Okay, so this greatly increases the number of simultaneous users who can be served by the system. So this is demand access, multiple access. Okay, thank you very much. In the next session we'll come with another interesting topic. Thank you very much.